Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from using the free version of Canva. And in order to do this, we can create some designs that can be placed on merchandise. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go up to the search bar here. I'm just going to type in t-shirt designs, just to show you how this process works. So if we scroll down, we can see hundreds of different t-shirt designs, and you'll also notice that some have a pro version icon on it. Those designs you can't use if you have the free version, but if you have the pro version, you can go ahead and use them. Now there's one distinct disadvantage to using the free version, and it means that you can only realistically use the white background designs to place on white merchandise, and I'll show you why. You can use the black as well, but you can't guarantee that the black on a t-shirt or a mug is going to be identical to the design that you select. So for example, if I go down to this design here and select it, it will automatically place it onto a t-shirt for me. If I just change the colour of the t-shirt, let's select red, you can see that you have the background colour around it, because the free version of Canva doesn't allow you to extract just the design without the background. You have to have the paid version. So if I go back and just select this design here on a white background, you can see on a white t-shirt it looks absolutely perfect. Now if you want the rectangle around your designs, that's absolutely fine, you can do that if you want to, but I just felt you needed to know that if you did select that design, it's going to show you automatically on here what that design might look like. So if I picked this design on a black t-shirt, it looks great on a black t-shirt, and let's just check on a blue t-shirt, but Canva will not allow you to extract just the design. If I download this design, it will actually put a white background around it. So I'll go ahead and show you that, as well as how to customize your design. So let's select this design here, and let's just check it on a different color t-shirt. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. You're just going to get this white rectangular background. So realistically, you can only make these designs for free to put on white merchandise such as this. So once you're happy with your design that you've selected, go to customize this template. Now, if you're perfectly happy with it just the way it is, then that's absolutely fine. But if you do want to change something, let's say the lettering, you can just click on this item here. You can see it's been selected. You can perhaps go and change the font if you want to. You can select from any of these. You can change the font size up here if you want to. For this one, the image is as is, so you can't change the various colours, but some images will allow you to change the colours on them. So once you're happy with this, go to share and then simply go to download. Now, if you had the paid version, you can see here that you could have a transparent background, but because we don't, we're working with the free version, then we'll simply download it with this white background around the outside. Then simply click download. Once your design has been downloaded, we're going to go over to a website called Redbubble. And as you can see at the top here, you simply enter in redbubble.com and create a free account. Once you've created your free account, you can go ahead to your account here, click on it. This icon is just my own personal icon, but you'll be asked to put your own personal photo at the top here. Go to add new work, click upload new work. I'm going to select my pastel color from my downloads and click upload. Redbubble is then going to upload your design, and then in these blocks here you're going to put in all of your descriptions, your titles, your tags and your description. And as we scroll down, you can see that Redbubble has placed your design on various different merchandise, and you can click here to say either enable them, which is yes, I would like to produce this merchandise, or you can disable them by clicking on the enabled to disable them, which means you don't want to include this in your shop. So you've uploaded your design, and as you go through you can decide which merchandise you want or don't want. So I'm going to disable that one, but the other thing, I'm going to enable this little dress. You can actually edit these as well. So this phone case doesn't quite work. So if you click on edit, scroll down, I can go to scale image and I can actually make it a lot smaller. I can make sure it's centered horizontally, centered vertically, and then click apply changes. Now if we scroll up, you can see now that fits perfectly on my phone case. And as you scroll down, everything that's slightly grayed out is not enabled, but you can enable them if you want to. You can see there's quite a variety of different items that you can choose from. Again, this one doesn't quite work, so we'll just go ahead and change the scale. And you can see there's a live view here, center vertically and horizontally, and then you just click apply changes. Then once you're happy, just go down to the bottom, and then in the media here you can select how you've produced or what it is exactly that you've produced for your merchandise. So we can click design and illustration, but this might be a painting or a drawing that you've done. Then you can default the product into your shop, or you can click on the drop down and then you can put it into a particular section. Then who can view this work? You can click anybody in the public, and you have to select whether it's mature content. We've selected no. You have to indicate that you have the right to sell this work. Click I agree and click save work. Okay, so once your work has been produced, you can see now all of those rainbow designs. You can edit those products if you want to, if you see something that you're not sure about or that doesn't work, and you can do that by simply going to edit. Then you can go back through your products, and then you can take out anything that you're not sure about or that doesn't quite work. Then click save work. So once you're happy with everything and you've seen something you want to promote, just click on this arrow, and then you could go ahead and promote it on any of these different platforms. One I like to do is on Pinterest. So click promote. Then I can select Canva, or I can select another board if I want to, and just click save. And then now that is automatically saved to Pinterest, which will then add to your marketing strategy. So how you can make money with Redbubble is you can either leave all of your merchandise as a shop on Redbubble and then simply promote everything, or you can have a link to your shop. So if you go to account and you go to dashboard, at the top here you will see the link to your shop. You can advertise that link in a variety of different places. You can have your own website, or you can set up your own shop on places like Shopify or Etsy. So now what will happen is that when somebody sees your product, they will simply purchase it. Then Redbubble will make and print the design. Then Redbubble will send the merchandise straight to the customer. This means you don't have to get involved in any sort of postage and packaging and fulfilling orders. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.